How to cancel your scheduled Uber rides. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from the Solution Guy. In today's video, I'll show you how you can cancel your advanced booked Uber rides. So you want to make sure to watch the video till the end. Now to view and delete your scheduled trips, just open the Uber app. Then you have to tap on the three horizontal bar which you see at the top left hand side of the screen. Once you do so, you will see this kind of interface. Here you have to simply select the option that says your trips. As you select your trips, on the next screen, just tap the drop down menu oval in the top right corner of the screen, which will likely read past. Then in the drop down list, just select the option that is upcoming. Now when you select upcoming, it will show you a list of all of your upcoming rides. Now to cancel one, just tap on the cancel ride button and confirm with the cancel ride button that pops up again. Now the scheduled trip will be immediately cancelled and removed from your trips, and now you won't incur a fee if you cancel it before you've matched with a driver. That's all it takes to cancel a scheduled Uber ride. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you've got any more questions, then make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.